Thank you, Chairman Nadler. I'm appearing today because I'm gravely concerned about Attorney General Merrick Garland's recent memo to the FBI directing them to intimidate and harass parents who show up at school board meetings. Sadly, one example cited by the National School Board Association was a father who showed up to the school board meeting because his 14-year-old daughter was sexually assaulted in a school bathroom by a boy who was allowed in the girls' room because of the school's transgender policies and activism. The father was trying to warn board members and other parents about the real-world implications of the left's radical agenda and the danger posed to teenage girls, but tragically, he was arrested and then labeled a domestic terrorist. This is chilling and anti-democratic action by the Biden DOJ. It's to use fear, harassment, and intimidation to keep parents from showing up at school board meetings and speaking out against the radical left-wing agenda. Parents are in charge of their child's education, period. Not the experts from the left-wing organizations, not the teachers' unions, and not the Biden administration. Parents. If the Department of Justice is looking for congressional direction on how they should be using their taxpayer-funded resources, they should start by investigating and prosecuting the human trafficking cartels that have smuggled, unbelievably, 125,000 children across our southern border under this administration. The children face horrific sexual assaults from cartel predators and coyotes. The DOJ seems to have a strong preoccupation with prosecuting and persecuting American citizens for engaging in constitutionally protected activities. I would strongly recommend the DOJ focus on keeping Americans safe and prosecuting child traffickers. Mr. Chairman, I seek unanimous consent to enter articles for the record on this topic.
Without objection.
Thank you. And I yield back.
The gentlelady yields back. Mr. Rice.